Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am excited tonight to do another diptych today. This time it's going to be a ninja swipe. There's a new restaurant opening in town. They've commissioned me to do some paintings. Yay! And there's a couple of spaces where it needs two pieces that match. So I'm going to do a pair of ninja swipes today. I'm using the same base color that I used for my ribbon pours. This is a mix of leftover blues, and I mixed up a whole bunch of it because when you mix up a custom color, you always want extra in case you need to make adjustments or, God forbid, scrape and go again. So I have lots and lots of paint. To go on top of that, I have this is Chroma Acrylic Essentials White. This is Amsterdam's Olive Green Light. And I have DecoArt 24 Karat Gold. And then I have a couple of this little piggy pigments that I've mixed up. This one is Show Pony. And this one is a mix of Frost and Mermaid. And I also have some Mango. I'm not going to put it in the pour that I do the ninja swipe on, but I may use this to add some color when I'm making my edits after I do the ninja swiping. So I'm going to put down a base coat first, and then I'll puddle my paints in the corner, and I'm going to use my ninja stick. I'll put the link so you can order this. This technique was first developed by Sarah Mack, and I've watched a ton of her videos, but I've only ever done one ninja swipe, and I loved it. So I really want to do this. I want to leave a lot of negative space. That's why I'm going to go in the corner. I'm not going to do multiple puddles. I'll make the puddle, and I'll use this tool to do one big swipe and kind of splatter the paint across the canvas. And then I have some mixing sticks from Fluid Art Co. That I'll be using to do some smaller swipes with. I also have a couple of small palette knives. I may add some motion and some adjustments using that. I have a straw. I'll probably blow out a couple of little flowers in it. I have a smack stick so I can do little designs with that. So I'm just going to play around with this, but again, I want this to be very minimal. So I'll put down my base coat, I'll make the puddle in the corner, I'll do the ninja swipes, and then I'll use my other tools to make the edits. So I've got two of these to do. I'm sure to keep this from being an hour-long video, I'm going to speed up quite a bit of it, so you're not sitting here watching me paint for an hour. But if you have any questions about this technique, I'm going to link Sarah Mack's channel in my video description. And you can always, in the comments, ask me any questions that you like. Okay, I'm ready to get started. Let's put on some music and I'll play.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It was impossible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
Want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, I'm wearing my worn-out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending girl, then I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. I will never let you go now when you're looking like that. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. Never-ending sunshine.
Solo un rayo del sol cambia el tiempo en el reloj. Hoy mis deudas reciben perdón. Pago por el show. Me siento feliz porque si no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado. El freno lo arranqué. Me siento feliz porque yo no dudo mi power. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Traigo un fin y después fumo un cabo de cigarette. Me pierdo en la ciudad, ha llegado mi tiempo ya. Voy a vivir porque si yo no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado, los frenos los arranqué. Me siento feliz porque vivo mi vida centrado. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Quiero un carro que corra más. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro yo. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro yo. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro yo. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro yo. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe.
I might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. Can't stop looking at ya. You're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me. Got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark, I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark.